How to delete a channel on Telegram. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can delete your channel on Telegram. So first of all, just click on the Telegram app, and then here you can see that there is a channel which you might have just created accidentally, or if you don't want the channel to be any longer. So all you have to do is click on the channel's name. For suppose here the name is tutorial, so I'm just going to click on this, and after that you can see at the top right that there is 3 dots and a pencil icon. So you have to click on the pencil icon at the top. And here, if you want to edit the tutorials, the name or set photo, you can just do that. But if you want to delete the channel, then you have to scroll down and click on delete channel. Now they'll ask you that whether you want to delete the channel or leave the channel. But if you want to delete the channel and delete all the subscribers including in the channel, it means that the channel will be deleted and all of the people who have subscribed for the channel will be automatically removed from the channel. So after clicking on delete for all subscribers, just click on delete channel, and now you can see that the channel is deleted. You can undo it in just 5 seconds. If not, then your channel will be permanently deleted. So that is how you can delete your Telegram channel.